what I want you guys to do, and you may know this, I want y'all to figure out who the oldest person is in this class. I'm going to give y'all a few minutes to figure that out.
Is anybody's birthday before September?
That's October. If you're 15, raise your hand.
Mine's December.
Alright, Osiris, when's your September 6th? Osiris is
Anybody not turned 15?
It's
Top one.
Wednesday.
It would be Lindsay Robertson, but she's not here today. So
It's a serious.
It's
All
Osiris.
right.
You're the equal and fair ruler.
We have a little.
Oh.
She is going to be our queen for today. You don't have to wear this all the time.
Very good.
No. On her the queen. Okay. All right. So, like we learned in an absolute monarchy, she is now in charge of everybody, me included. So whatever the rules she makes, that's what we have to follow, right? Okay. So, congratulations, you are the queen of the class for today. So let's talk about the transition from her being in charge to us gaining some power as well and having a say so. What we're going to talk about today is absolute monarchy versus constitutional monarchy. I want you to look at these words and come up with an idea of what you think they mean. Who's got an idea for what absolute means? Yes. Oh, okay. Anybody else?
Definite.
Definite. One person, good. Anything else? Nothing? What about shared? Divided. What else? More than one person. Excellent. Good. Anybody over here got an idea?
A group of like-minded individuals.
A group of like-minded individuals. All right, good. That's good. Okay. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to look at these words and go through them one by one and decide, and I'm going to write it on this board, on this chart, which one they belong to, absolute or shared. You don't have to raise your hand if you just want to do it as a class, that'll be fine. Let's start with divine. What do y'all think?
Like you would describe a king, like he was a divine.
Divine, right?
Like divine.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right.
Good job. All right, what about supportive? Shared. Okay, because maybe the king is supportive of this people.
You have two parents.
Right? Okay.
They share the kid. They support it.
What about uncompromising?
Absolutely.
Why?
Because we don't care what you think, I want this.
They would.
Okay. So he's not willing, the king in the absolute monarchy is not willing to compromise, right? Choices.
Share.
Share. Okay. What about, here this might be a tough one, unqualified.
Absolutely. Did they think you're unqualified?
But even if you're unqualified, you're the king, so it doesn't matter. So it's your role over those.
Okay, and if you're unqualified and your father is the king, if he dies,
You're still the king.
you're still going to be the king even though you're unqualified, right?
Shared because the king is unqualified to have all control of the ship.
Okay, let's go with absolute. What about caring? Caring. King cares about his people. What about controlling?
Absolute.
Okay, why?
Because their king wants to control everybody. I mean,
Okay.
it's like, if you don't want to do this, let's do that.
So basically, he's the only one in control, right?
Yes, it's complete control.
One ruler.
Absolute.
Absolute. All right. Good. Concern.
Share.
Sherry, okay. Kind of goes along with Karen. Make my N not look so much like an R there. What about freedom?
Share.
Okay. Do we have freedom in America?
Yes.
So we get us, like yesterday, was election day, so if you're over 18 or older, you got to vote and exercise your freedom, let your voice be heard. What about equality?
Share.
Shared, everybody's more on an equal playing field, okay? Listens,
Share.
so,
A group of people that listen to each other and then they try to make it to where they listen to all the people who try to make it to where.
so the king listens to the people and lets them not speak.
And absolute kingdom, okay.
It could be absolute too, because the people have to listen to the king.
That's true. So, I'll tell you what we're gonna do, is we're gonna put this in the middle.
Yeah, Venn diagram.
Good idea. All right, what about fear?
Absolute.
Absolute. Everybody agree on that? So,
I thought you said fair.
Yeah.
Fair, zero, fair.
fear, not fair. Unlimited.
Share.
Share.
Ah.
You're gonna say that about choices.
You're unlimited. Absolute, because he has unlimited power.
Oh.
Yeah.
I would say limited because if you're
Or
sure
you
given
have-
limited like choices, you don't have to.
Well, it's not really unlimited, because they just have.
That could really be both.
They're not really unlimited.
I think it's just,
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go with in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody got that?
Thank you.
What about consideration? Sure? Okay.
Consider their.
It takes into consideration what they want to do?
If it was absolute, we wouldn't care what they thought.
Right.
well, they would have to take
All right, so there's what we came up with. Absolute, we got divine, uncompromising, unqualified, controlling, one ruler, and fear. So on share, we got supportive, choices, caring, concern, freedom, equality, listens, and consideration. And the ones that we said could probably be both, depending on your opinion, are listens and unlimited. Y'all did an outstanding job on that.
Thank you.
So let's talk about what a constitutional monarchy is. A constitutional monarchy is basically a system of government in which a monarch, you still have a king or a queen or a ruler, but he shares the power with a constitutionally organized government. So you might have a parliament to help, they get a say-so, or like in America we have 3 branches of government. Who can tell me what those are?
That's what I put.
Yes, ma'am.
Executive and
Judicial. So everybody works together to decide what's going to happen. And that's the way a constitutional monarchy works. The king has a say-so, but the people have a say-so as well. So it's not completely on just what the king wants. So the difference between absolute monarchy and constitutional monarchy is that in absolute monarchy, who holds all the power? King or queen, for one ruler. So in a constitutional monarchy, the head of the state is the head of the state as hereditary or an elected monarch, but the people hold power as well. So